Now, there is a very 100% effective, 100% beneficial, 100% result give treatment is Botox treatment for hair. Yes, it gives the 100% result. Your hair are damaged, dry hair or any hair problem, don't worry. There is absolute 100% solution is Botox treatment. It work for every type of the hair. It work for the every type of hair and it give the 100% result. It last up to the 2 to 4 months. Its effect last up to the 2 to 4 months. But must consult with the professional hairstylist. Before do anything, must consult with the professional hairstylist. It is a very simple method, but it is accurate method. 100% result method, 100% beneficial method. The hair are soft. It gives the softness, smooth hair. Also, the hair, it increases the hair strength. So if you have any hair problem, must do the Botox treatment with the professional hairstylist advice. Must do the Botox treatment with the professional hairstylist advice. Share this information to the maximum. So if any have the hair problem, they also follow the Botox treatment. Sure, thanks.